and make the chandelier part for the earring. So in order to start, we have to add our seed beads in whatever color you like. Obviously matching the crystals would be appropriate. I've used 3 here. You add it onto your pin. So you can either use the regular loop like we had with the necklace, where we just looped the pin on the other end, or you can use a wrap loop, which I'm going to demonstrate, which is shown in these earrings, which is a slightly more secure way of attaching the beads to the chain. In order to do a wrap loop, once again, take your pin, you take your needle nose pliers, and this time bend the wire round, and at this stage you need to attach it to the chain. So you just insert the pin on the second link, not the first one, because the first one needs to be joined to the flower component. Then you take your flat nose pliers, grasp them tightly, and then using another pair of pliers, you wrap the wire around. Wrap it 3 times. Trim off the excess wire, because this could be very irritating if you're wearing this as a pair of earrings. Use your pliers again to squeeze down that end, the sharp end. Okay, and there you have it. And now your first pin is hanging from the chain. Now it may not be hanging completely straight, so you can take your pliers and just straighten up the loop. And now it should be hanging at a better angle, like this.